Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I will going to show you on how to fix Instagram story icon too big. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your Instagram application first, and then as you can see here, okay, the icon of your Instagram story is very big. So I have some ways for you to do in order to fix that. So the first thing is to go to your app information. So just click on this one, then click on storage. Okay, now you have to tap on clear data. Okay, so your app will be refreshed and the app's old version will be restored. So the second thing that you need to do if that's not gonna work is to uninstall your Instagram application first. Okay, so you'll have to uninstall your Instagram. Then right after uninstalling your Instagram, you'll have to go to your web browser. Okay, and then search for Instagram old version download, and then click on this link here. Now as you can see, these are the different version of Instagram. You can see the year, so you'll have to choose the older version of Instagram. Then right after that, click on download application. In that way, you'll be able to have the old version of Instagram and does not have the feature like the bigger icon. Okay, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.